Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on Linux. The primary method involves using Valve's Proton compatibility layer, which allows Windows games to run seamlessly on your system. This powerful tool is integrated directly into Steam, making the process quite straightforward. You will need a modern Linux distribution and up-to-date graphics drivers to ensure the best experience. Proton handles many of the complexities, letting you focus on the game. Since Rocket League is primarily on the Epic Games Store, you will need a way to run that launcher on Linux. Tools like Lutris or the Heroic Games Launcher are excellent choices. They provide a user-friendly interface to install and manage the Epic Games Store, along with its games. You will typically select a Wine version and configure a few settings to ensure smooth operation, making the installation process quite simple. To get the best performance, a few tweaks can make a big difference. Start by adjusting Rocket League's in-game graphics settings. Often, a medium or low preset provides a significant frame rate boost. Also, try different Proton versions available through Steam or your chosen launcher, as some versions perform better than others. Closing unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources, giving your game more power. If you encounter any issues, there are excellent resources available. ProtonDB is a fantastic website where users report their experiences and solutions for various games running on Proton. You can also verify the integrity of your game files through Steam or the Epic Games Launcher, which often resolves common problems. Finally, the vibrant Linux gaming community is always ready to offer advice and support, helping you get back on the field.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.